amazing people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video today we'll be talking about measurement. Yes, the types of measurements we have and how to take your body measurement accurately. So if you are interested in this kind of video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell button. So welcome back. Grab a pen, grab a jotter, and jot one or two things down. So let's go to the vertical measurement. As I've said earlier, we have types of measurements. We have two major types of measurements. We have the vertical measurement and the horizontal measurement. Vertical measurements are measurements taken this way, while horizontal measurements are measurements taken this way or this way. So for the vertical measurement now, we have from the shoulder here to your bust point. From the shoulder here to your bust point, it is a vertical measurement. From the shoulder to your underbust, it is a vertical measurement. From the shoulder to your waist, it is a vertical measurement. From the shoulder to the hip line, it is a vertical measurement. From the shoulder to the knee, it is a vertical measurement. And from the shoulder to the full length of the dress you are making, that is a vertical measurement. Any measurement that is taken this way is a vertical measurement. Now let's go to the horizontal measurement. The horizontal measurements are circumference of the body. They are measurements taken this way or this way. They are the circumference of the body. So for instance, we have the shoulder measurement. We have the shoulder measurements. The shoulder measurement is horizontal measurement. That is the shoulder circumference. We have the bust circumference. The bust circumference. The bust circumference is horizontal measurement. We have the under bust circumference. That is horizontal measurement. The waist circumference, horizontal measurement. The hip circumference, horizontal measurement. And the thigh, we have the thigh circumference. That is horizontal measurement. So any measurement that passes the tape rule round its parts is circumference. That is horizontal measurement. The round sleeve is an horizontal measurement. So any measurements that the tape rule has to pass around the body part is an horizontal measurement. So don't forget that. Let's go to the part 2, which is how to take the body measurement accurately. So for you to take the body measurement, you need to wear a fitted clothes. You cannot say you want to take a body measurement and put on boo-boo. It is not possible. So you need something that is fitted on your body, and you need to wear a proper bra, a bra with a good fittings on, so that it won't be the case of what I got. When you wear a loose bra and when you go for the measurement, you wear a loose bra, and going back to get your dresses, you know you wear a proper bra. So you know what you are going to meet. So you need to put on a good bra for you to get a perfect measurement. So how to take the body measurement now? If you want to take the shoulder, which is the first measurement to take, you place the tape at the end here. When you do your hand like this, there is a bone where this bone connects to the other side where the bone connects. That is the shoulder. That is how to take the shoulder measurements. And for the waist circumference, you pass the tape around your bust. You pass it around your bust. You pass it around your bust. That is for the bust. And for the under bust, you pass it around the under of your bust. That is for the under bust. And for the waist, you pass the tape rule around your waist. If you want to get the perfect waist measurement, just tilt to a side, tilt to the other side. That is the tiniest part of your body, where your body bends. Where it bends, that is the accurate waist. So that is where you take the waist measurements. And for the hip, that is the largest part of the body. That is where you take round. The fullest part of your hip is where you take as your hip measurement. So for the thigh measurement, pass the tape around the upper thigh. And for the knee measurement, pass the tape around the knee area. So practice, 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 and you will definitely get it right. And see you in my next video.